finished. It turned out very well, if I do say so myself.
It did. I can't wait to see how it looks inside.
Ha ha ho! We will leave you to it then. Goodbye, new neighbours.
Goodbye, Mr. Bull.
Goodbye,
Mr. Rhinoceros. In we go then. I like it. What do you think? I think we will be happy here. Who could it be? Well, let's go out and find out. I wonder who might be at the door.
Ah, you must be the new neighbours.
We thought we'd come by and welcome you to the neighbourhood.
Welcome, welcome. I'm Peppa Pig. This is Daddy Pig. This is Mummy Pig. And this is my little brother George.
I know you just arrived.
Well, yes, we just moved in. We haven't even had the chance to see the whole house from the inside.
You can do that later. We need to go to playgroup now.
Peppa, I'm sure the new neighbours are very tired. They can go tomorrow.
But today is International Day. They have to go.
What's this about?
It's the best day ever. Madame Gazelle will teach us about the whole world.
What do you think? Do you want to go with Peppa to the playgroup? All right then. Why don't you go with her while we finish setting things up in the house?
The playgroup is this way. Follow me. We just have to cross this field to get to playgroup. We can bike there. Do you know how to ride a bike?
To use the bike, just get close to it and hop on when you see the icon.
We can take the
Great
bikes
job.
to go faster.
Now you can go faster and even ring your bell. You can get on and off the bike whenever you want. Look out for things to play with.
Peppa. Ah, I see you have brought a friend.
Yes, Madame Gazelle. This is my new neighbour.
Hello, Peppa.
Hello, neighbour.
Come on, take a seat. We were just about to start. Do you know what day it is today?
International Day.
Splendid. Today, we will learn everything about the countries of the world.
All of them?
Well, some of them.
Which ones?
Well, there's America, where they have very tall buildings and they make a lot of films.
Ooh!
There's France. People really like croissants there.
Croissants are the best.
In Germany, it can get very cold. But they drink hot chocolate to warm themselves.
I love hot chocolate. Me too.
Italy is warm and beautiful. And let's not forget Barcelona with its sunny beaches.
I've never been to the beach. I have. It's very nice. Oh,
You know where else they have great beaches? Australia. People there like to surf a lot.
I want to go to all of these places. I want to go to New York, Hollywood, London, Paris, Barcelona, Italy, Germany, and Australia.
Well, you're in luck. You can go to all of these places with the cruise ship that has just arrived in town. I'm sure your parents will take you there if you ask.
Hooray! This is the best international day